The Pew Research Center reported that the two most recent U.S. presidential elections were among the highest turnout elections in the past century, with about 66% turnout in 2020 and 64% in 2024. But those national numbers hide the real story. Turnout varies by state and shifts in surprising ways over time. Also, turnout rates swing largely between presidential election years and state level elections. We want to understand these trends and what long-term patterns emerge when we look beyond a single election. These questions motivated our project.
Our visualization explores U.S. voter turnout through two dimensions: voter eligible population and turnout rate from 1980 through 2022. The centerpiece of our interface is a mapbox map of the United States, where each state is shaded on a continuous color scale, according to its VEP. As the user moves the year slider, both the map and the underlying data dynamically update. Hovering over any state reveals detailed VEP and turnout rate information for that specific year. For a deeper dive, clicking on a state opens a line chart showing how both metrics evolve over time. The turnout rate line chart has purple dots to represent historical events that could have influenced the voter turnout rate nationwide. Additionally, by clicking on the checkbox below, users can see how VEP turnout rates varied between presidential and statewide elections. Some of the challenging features to implement included the state-specific line charts and creating the state-country boundaries correctly.
The visualization succeeds because it allows users to discover these patterns interactively, compare states instantly, and trace real trends that would be hard to see in a static table or report. Understanding the turnout variation requires both geographic context and temporal trends, which our visualization brings together in one place. The biggest takeaway from our visualization is that population growth and turnout rate do not move together. By pairing a VEP-based map with state-specific line charts, our visualization makes this mismatch visually obvious in a way traditional explanations cannot. Additionally, there are insights to gain at the national level as well as when looking at state-specific VEP trends. Thank you for watching.